In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in Google Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to bring an image into your project so you can use it inside your prompt. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Flow. When the results load, look for the official site and click the correct link. It should clearly reference Google Flow on the landing page. This helps you avoid copycats and ensures all the tools you need are available. Once you're on the home page, find and click Create with Flow. This takes you into the workspace where projects live. From there, click the plus New Project button to start a fresh canvas. You'll be brought into a blank project area with a prompt box and panels around it. At the top of the prompt box, click the model name and switch it to video. This tells the workspace you're working in a video context, which is important if your image will guide motion or style later on. Next, click Ingredients. Think of Ingredients as your project's asset shelf. It's where images, clips, and other files you bring in are stored so you can reference them in your prompt without hunting around. To upload your image, you have two easy options. The first is drag and drop. Simply grab an image from your computer and drag it directly into the Flow window. When you release the file, it will begin uploading, and you'll see it appear under Ingredients shortly after. If you prefer a file picker, click the plus icon, then click the Upload icon. Your system file dialog will open. Navigate to the image you want, select it, and click Open. Once it uploads, you should see a thumbnail or file name show up in the Ingredients panel. If it takes a moment, give it time to process. Tip: use a clear, well-lit image for best results. Standard formats like JPG and PNG typically work well, and higher resolution often helps the model understand details better. With the image now in Ingredients, describe how it should be used directly in your prompt. Be explicit and contextual. For example, you might write, "The man in the ingredient image walking through a neon city." Naming the role of the image, the action you want, and the setting gives the model strong guidance. The more specific your instruction is, the more likely you'll get the outcome you expect. That's it. You searched for Google Flow, opened the correct link, created a project, switched the model to video, opened Ingredients, uploaded your image, and clearly described how to use it in your prompt.